This is our last audio lecture. We're just going to take a very brief look at some other audio controls. If I go up here and look at my audio menu, there's this box that says smooth volume levels. Most of the time, you're not going to need it. It's really if you have an audio clip that's really jumpy and it has extreme spikes. If you want to kind of smooth out the volume, you can try clicking this box. Most of the time I never use it, and I find when the volume is good, it really degrades the sound. The audio mix, this is your left and right. Right now I've got both at 100%, which essentially is going to give me a monotone. If I want it only to go to the left or right channel, I can take the left channel, bring it to 0, or bring the right channel to 0. Otherwise, if you don't need to kind of separate the stereo sound, you can just leave it as is. Effect here, you can do mainly things with reverb. So if you can make it sound like you're in a large stadium or a large hall or something like that. I never really use effects. The remove background noise filter does exactly that. If you've recorded in a noisy environment, this can help remove some of that background noise. However, I always just strive to have good quality audio to begin with, so I don't really use that filter. And then finally, there are a whole bunch of audio filters. If I click on this plus sign, so for example, delay, if I click on delay and click add, then we can listen to what it does. So I never really use these audio filters either, but they are available if you want to play with them. And that is some other audio controls.